Where's your body?
Hello guys and welcome to a video. Pigeon.
Okay, I need it. I found
We are
a thing on the floor.
making science. Science! Quick, make the bodies merge! Tombo's
Roger.
No, bullboys.
Damn it! I found a friggin' defibrillator to use.
You use my body for the science.
Humiliation.
Okay. So you use my body for the oh.
Oh, shit bug.
This was my plan all along.
That wasn't very nice. Oh, now Bullboy gets to do all the big science thing.
Look at my karma, dude.
Yes, Dan. Yes.
Currently running at 20 FPS, like your boss.
I was just randomly
Okay.
shooting everybody.
Pigeon. If neither of us are traitors, shall we go in there again? Okay, all we have to do is nod or shake our head if we're a traitor. Hi, Mars. Get Pigeon! Pigeon, right, let's find a new place where we can experiment with science. What about the computer shop here?
Hey, Doodle.
Leave.
Okay, I'm a detective.
Dare you, Tom?
Okay,
Dan.
now we can do science. Right, let's make a supercomputer, okay? Okay, supercomputer. Let me open the door. Okay.
I'm gonna take Stan's shot because he's not here.
No! No! That guy's a traitor. Long name's a traitor. Long name's a traitor. KOS long name. KOS long name in computer shop. Stop using a machine gun, you scrub. KOS long name.
There is no one called Long Name.
Yeah, got you! Yeah, die!
It's the big name with and
Yeah, I'm taking the piss.
Right, Pigeon is proven.
Guys, I want to meet you
What? I
guys.
can't defib Pigeon?
Has anyone played Sonic Adventure Battle 2 or something? I think it's called that.
Obviously, the greatest
Yeah.
game in the world, Sonic
Boy,
Adventure 2
I
Battle.
need your help.
Yeah, that was the
Yeah,
first
come
game
on.
ever. I
Come
have
to
it on
the
the
computer shop.
Steam.
So good.
We need to
I
defib
must
Pigeon.
have racked
Let
up
me.
like 1,000 hours.
Okay,
My chows were
Pigeon, why do
amazing.
you have to have the dodgy skin?
I have Heaven and Hell chows, but they all
Oh.
look so derpy, so I deleted my save. They literally look derpy. It was really weird.
See, a friend of mine had one of those like proper weird ones, the ones that look like Chrome or whatever.
I can't.
Yeah.
Really good one.
Hi, Chloe. Hi.
Hey Tom, this is Stan's shop. Welcome to Stan's shop.
That
Would you
game's
like anything?
amazing. I'm actually gonna buy it on
Welcome to
Steam.
Stan's shop. Would you like to buy anything?
I might play it in a minute.
I'm just gonna go help the detective with
The
this.
multiplayer
Hey,
rifle
would you like to
Steam.
buy anything?
There's no mod
Okay.
for it, unfortunately.
Okay, Bullboy, come here.
It's like
Okay, you see this
Not even
defib
for
right
free, 'cause they
there?
used to be.
Pick it up and defib Pigeon. No. Oh.
If you don't leave, I'll be forced to kill you. Warning 1.
Thank you, sir.
What?
Oh, regardless, I'm getting
Right,
it.
Stan
It's
told
such
me
a good game.
I've got to kill people if they walk into the shop. So let's just... Yeah, that's what
Had like the greatest soundtrack as well.
Yeah, it did,
Stan
didn't
told
it?
me to kill people who walked into the shop.
Escape
I'm
from the
sorry.
scene. I don't
I'm a
like
bad
fun.
man. I'm a bad man.
Well,
Oh my god, wait.
yes. Well, today I hope you guys
I'm gonna
enjoyed.
get- oh,
This is
no.
Amsterville, I believe. Yeah, the map Amsterville.
Oh my god,
Pretty
it's
good
working!
map, like.
Come with me,
Lagged out.
Cable.
I lagged out,
If
Stan.
anyone,
I lagged out
gets
mid-battle.
defib, tell them alive.
What the-
I'm dead.
I feel like I...
Yep.
There you go. Escape from the City.
Body's now
Best song
lying in
ever.
bed.
It's
I
so
get
good.
this is my shop now.
I feel like I'm one of those kids with the fucking penny
Enjoy
farthing
Woo,
thing.
my shop now.
Right.
Don't shoot!
And make sure you subscribe.